Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is the cooler project. I had some little pinholes all around here, and I used a material that didn't do what I wanted to do, and I didn't think I had any JB weld, and I found JB weld and I'd worked with the other, and I finally got the majority of it off. But this JB weld, it's just easier to work with, and I've got it where it's pretty close. I can sand that down to all the to what I need it where I can paint it. And I did put some paint on it because the paint kind of helps stop a lot of the rust, or inhibits it anyway. So I've got quite a few coats of paint. I haven't painted the sides yet because I've got to tape everything off, but I've been working on the bottom today, and out here grilling on the grill and working on this cooler. And I'm pretty close when I spread this stuff out, so I won't have a lot of sanding to do. And it's coming along. It's slowly but surely. I've had some problems with the top, and the next video I'll show you what happened with that. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit the subscribe button. God bless.